southeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 7:15 p.m. At 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Shamrock, or 30 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Adams County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, south central Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Byers, or 39 miles east of Denver, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Byers around 6:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Deer Trail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.